Hello there. I'm Christine Collins, your creativity consultant, NLP practitioner, and hypnotherapist, and wanted to talk today a little bit about what can happen when we attempt to begin our creation process, creating something new for our business, or even something in our personal experience. When we begin that creation process, but we haven't taken care of some of those lingering things, like those old belief systems and even self-sabotage. What can happen is, as we begin to step into our creation process, we often start out very excited, ready to go. We have a new idea. There's something that we want to bring into reality. And if we haven't kind of nipped some of those old things out of our experience, and just to give you a couple of quick examples. So self-sabotage, that can show up in a number of different ways. It often appears in the form of things like procrastination, where you wake up full of ideas, or you have a general idea of what to get started on or what to work on, and somehow you find yourself cleaning the kitchen instead of beginning that exciting creation process that you are so eager to get started on. Old beliefs can show up in the form of things like, I've seen other people be successful at this, why can't I? Or other people can command this dollar amount, but I don't deserve that, or my services or my product or my program isn't good enough to command that same thing. Or just making general observations about a situation that is actually getting filtered through an old belief system that's not serving you. So what happens when we dive into our creation process, before we take care of those kind of fundamental self-transformational processes, we end up with sort of shoddy creations or only partial success. You know, you might get halfway to your goal. You might get, maybe you won't make any progress at all because you haven't really changed the core belief, and there's something fundamental that's actually holding you back. So it's not just a matter of being unable to create, but it's a matter of being unable to finish the process and get to that end result or that end goal of your project, whatever it is for you. So it can be very helpful and very powerful. And in terms of your outcome and your success with that creation, to begin with nipping the self-sabotage and the old belief systems so that you can have the maximum success possible.